Hello everyone, our today's topic is landscape. And individual colors for the each boat. Here for the boards I am taking some fresh colors, yellow, red, brown combinations. Mostly this kind of combinations we can see in the boards near the beach. And for the sea waters we are taking slightly dark shade of the blue color so that we can differentiate the sky and the sea. This is in a reddish brownish color in the front boat, and for the lower part we are taking dark blue color combinations. I am using here neutral shades of these colors, blue green combinations. Here I am showing a depth in the boat, and for that I am showing the gradations of the colors. The first applications of the colors I am showing or applying on a transparent colors so that we can take the advantage of this transparency. And second application we apply opaque, then we both shades we get transparent and opaque shades. As you know that the poster colors we can use in a both the way, transparent and opaque. So we are showing on a strain of our poster colors. Now in the trees we are showing on a depth with the shades of the blue and the green combinations so that we can show the depth in a landscape, because these all the trees are very much far from what we see in here. This is a shadow of this all the trees. For that I am taking blue and brown combinations, and also I am showing here some coconut trees in a dark shades so we get more depth. Now in a back side of this sand also we add some dark tones by adding brownish tone in a yellow ochre color, so we also get some depth in a sand, as well as in a sky we adding some dark blue color. Now we start applying an opaque color and adding more details in these boards, and for that we add the dimensions, three dimensions in a boards as well as all the objects. So gradually we going to add on a dark tones here, and after adding all the details and a dark tones we apply on light shades and white tones on the all the boards and the objects. Here is we showing on all the details. Extreme details we are showing on this front board because this is very much near from what we see in here. So we can see all the details on these boards. So you can show all the dimension textures on this board. We are going to study a very simple landscape here for the beginners and the basic learners. There is very much useful for you to make a landscape. Only two objects are showing here, two boards. In the background I am showing some trees and sea and the sky. Only few objects we are showing here. There is no extreme details we are showing here. Only the basic things we are showing here. As well as I am showing the technique of the landscape, how we make a landscape with the poster color. This same technique, if you know very well or you can understand very well, you can use watercolors also like that to make a landscape. In the sands also we showing some dots of the dark brown and the yellow ochre, and here you can use a spray technique also. On the boards I am showing some names and the details, as well as we add some light tones with the white color. Here we showing light tones and the white colors. So now we get the three dimensions, light, middle and dark. Here we are showing some waves in a sea with the white colors. So there is we get details in a sea also. Now it's really look like a sea, you can see, because waves come up from this sea. Now here I am showing a shadow of this object, so we can show the objects are land or we are going to place on this sand, because whatever objects we are place it on the surface, it gets in a shadow. Whatever details you want to add here, you can add, and then you get your final landscape. After removing this masking tape, you get your final landscape. We are not showing more details in a background, just adding some birds in the sky to show the rhythm of these objects and the landscape. One small human figure also I am showing on a beach. I hope you understand these demonstrations of the landscape. With the help of this landscape, you can make your own landscape. This is very much easier to make. Landscape is the study of the natures with the colors on a paper. So you need to learn light, dark, shadow and object study with this landscape. Thank you. Best of luck.